Right, good morning, good morning, good morning. You find me on the road between somewhere and somewhere. All I can tell you is I'm cycling towards Gourdon. It's 23 degrees today. It feels a lot hotter, quite possibly because I'm cycling. It's about 20 past 10 in the morning and I'm riding towards Groljac. I've got my swim shorts. I will be meeting others. Let's see how we get on anyway. I don't know how much of this journey I'm going to show, but we may chop it up. I've got my trusty GoPro 10. I've got my Meta glasses and I've got my phone, so I'm sure we'll capture something. So catch you in a bit. Nothing coming, let's get going. Right, we're now about to enter the old part of the town. And we're heading on the Sarlat Road towards Groljac. Merci! Ah, right, time for a break. Ugh. Whew. Yes, as suspected, it is getting hotter, and it looks like it's going to get into the 30s today, so I better get moving, I think. Right, let's do this. Oh. We're off. Oh, time for a rest. Sore arse. Oh, good grief. I've only cycled about 6 miles, but I feel as if I cycled 20. It is so warm. Right, as you can see from that signpost, the D704, we can see Grolschak is actually signposted, so I'm guessing the lake isn't too far further on down this road. So I'm going to pop on down there, meet others, dip a toe and change some clothes and see how we get on. See you in a bit.